Welcome to Learn Alloid, your ultimate destination for mastering programming, computer science basics, and everything you need to excel in your tech journey. Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here at Learn Alloid. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps in programming, a student exploring final year project ideas, or a professional looking to enhance your skills, you've come to the right place. At Learn Alloid, we believe in making education accessible and engaging for everyone. From programming tutorials and coding exercises to advanced tech topics and career tips, we've got you covered. Our platform is here to help you learn smarter, faster, and better. Now, in today's video, we're going to dive into an exciting and important topic: how to successfully plan and execute your final year engineering project, no matter what branch you're in. Let's get started. Are you worried about your final year engineering project? Don't know where to start? This video is for you. Final year projects are crucial because they showcase your technical skills and creativity. They can also help you land a job or further studies. Your final year project is one of the most crucial parts of your engineering journey. It's not just an academic requirement, it's a chance to showcase your skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. But where do you start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll break the entire process into 3 simple and actionable steps. 1. Choosing the right topic. We'll discuss how to pick a project idea that matches your interests, aligns with industry trends, and is practical to complete. From coding-based projects to hardware-focused ideas, I'll share examples for every branch of engineering. 2. Planning and execution. Once you have a topic, what's next? I'll guide you through creating a roadmap, managing your time, and executing your project effectively. You'll also learn how to handle challenges like resource limitations and technical difficulties. Finally, we'll look at how to present your work like a pro. I'll cover the basics of clear documentation, creating impactful presentations, and delivering a presentation that leaves a lasting impression on your evaluators. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to ace your final year project, step by step. So, grab a notebook, and let's dive in. Let's start with the first and most important step: choosing the right topic. This can make or break your final year project, so listen closely. First, pick a topic you're genuinely interested in. Why? Because interest keeps you motivated throughout the process. Think about the areas you've enjoyed studying the most during your course. For instance, if you're an EEE student fascinated by artificial intelligence, you could work on something like smart energy systems using AI to optimize electricity usage. Next, think about relevance. Research emerging technologies and industry trends. Your project should not only be innovative but also align with where the industry is headed. For CSE, topics like AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, or blockchain are trending. ECE students can look at IoT, VLSI design, or even 5G communication systems. EEE students might explore renewable energy systems or electric vehicles. Mechanical students can dive into 3D printing or automation. And for civil students, consider sustainable construction or smart cities. However, being practical is just as important as being ambitious. Assess your resources. How much time, money, and tools do you have access to? Pro tip: don't choose a topic that requires expensive hardware unless your college can support it or you have external funding. Finally, think outside the box. Combine ideas from different branches to create something truly unique. For example, a CSEEE project could focus on IoT-enabled smart grids that use sensors and software to manage energy efficiently. Alright, once you've picked your topic, it's time to move to the next phase: planning and execution. This is where ideas turn into reality. Start by forming a team. Choose peers who complement your skills. For example, if you're great at coding, find someone strong in research or presentation skills. Remember, choose team members based on strengths, not just friendships. Next, define your project's goal. Make it specific and measurable. For example, design a solar-powered water purifier for rural areas. A clear objective will keep your team focused. Create a timeline. Break your project into milestones and set deadlines for each stage. 1. Literature survey. 2. Design and development. 3. Testing. 4. Final report and presentation. Stick to these deadlines as much as possible, it'll save you from last-minute panic. Now, do your homework. Use resources like Google Scholar, IEEE Explore, and GitHub to build a strong foundation. For coding help, don't forget to check out Learn Alloid, where you'll find tutorials and solutions to common programming challenges. Execution is all about starting small, testing frequently, and improving iteratively. For example, if you're building an IoT-based project, test the basic sensor integration before adding advanced features. Now comes the part many students struggle with, documentation and presentation. But don't worry, I'll simplify it for you. Your documentation should be clear, concise, and well organized. Make sure it includes an abstract, a summary of your project, objectives, what you aim to achieve, methodology, how you achieved it, results and conclusion, what you discovered, future scope, potential improvements or applications. For presentations, keep your slides professional and to the point. Use diagrams, flowcharts, or even videos to explain complex concepts. Practice explaining your project in layman's terms. Remember, your evaluators might not be experts in your specific topic. Common mistakes to avoid. Finally, avoid these common mistakes. 1. Overcomplicating your project. 2. Ignoring deadlines. 3. Poor coordination with your team members. How to seek help. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help. Seek guidance from 1. Faculty. Regular feedback can help you stay on track. 2. Online communities. Platforms like Quora, Reddit, or GitHub are great for brainstorming and troubleshooting. And if you're looking for professional assistance, Learn Alloid offers affordable solutions for final year projects across CSE, ECE, EEE, and IoT. We're here to help you succeed. Conclusion. To wrap it up, remember. Choose a practical and relevant topic. Plan your project with clear milestones. Focus on execution, documentation, and presentation. Your final year project is a golden opportunity to showcase your skills and creativity. Start early, stay focused, and give it your best shot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn Alloid for more educational content. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.